My name is James Swanson, and I'm the Global Product Training Manager for nVent's HOFFMAN brand. nVent was founded in 2018, bringing together legacy electrical brands that have been around for decades. Familiar brands such as Schroff, HOFFMAN, Caddy, and Erico, Raychem, and Tracer. We're a global organization, publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange with the symbol NVT. nVent serves the electrical industry. nVent HOFFMAN specifically provides enclosure solutions for industries such as automotive, material handling, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, pulp and paper, oil and gas, traditional and alternative energies, telecommunications, data networking, water, wastewater, shall I go on? nVent is a North American leader in enclosures and a strong provider of enclosures internationally. We're a leader in data protection and advanced cooling, as well as cooling for industrial controls. We have an installed base of over 100 million enclosures globally. We focus on innovation, safety, and advanced protection. We have a comprehensive product range suitable for almost any application, with multiple offerings from standard product through engineered to order products. And we sincerely believe in the distribution model. We have over 4,000 distributors of our products, and we really are a global company with local service for our customers. This is exciting for us. We're partnering with Rockwell and Panduit to maximize safety and control cabinets through our sequester product, the Panduit VeriSafe product, and the Rockwell disconnects, and the ability to interface with the VeriSafe so it can all be networked into the PLC.